Okay. The kitchen is haunted, I swear to God. The drawers are opening all by themselves. So freaky. It's weird. Well, it seemed to have died down. Oh, I was mistaken. Oh, is it gonna go back in? Nope. Oh, there goes another one. Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh my God, the cabinets are opening. Oh my God. Ah! What is going on? Yes, Caleb. The leaves are moving. The leaves are moving by themselves. Oh my God. I'm gonna come over here and stay.